Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese crust, easy method. Preheat your oven to high broil and line a baking sheet with parchment. Grate a firm cheese like cheddar or Parmesan, then pile 2 to 3 tablespoons mounds spaced apart. Flatten each mound slightly for even cooking. Broil until edges are deep golden and center is set, about 2 to 5 minutes. Transfer to a rack to cool and crisp. Keep a close eye on the broiler and prepare all toppings in advance because timing is very short. Use parchment or a silicone mat to prevent sticking and make cleanup simple. For uniform rounds, use a small cookie cutter to shape melted cheese while still warm. Add a sprinkle of dried herbs or sesame seeds before broiling for extra flavor. Let the crusts cool fully so they firm up into crisp, scoopable pieces. Cheese crusts are versatile and ready in minutes, making them perfect for last-minute snacks or elegant appetizers. Serve them warm next to hummus, tzatziki, or a rich tomato basil topping. They also make a crunchy garnish for creamy soups or salads, adding salty umami without extra carbs. Store leftover cooled crusts in an airtight container for up to 2 days to preserve crunch, then recrisp briefly in a hot oven.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.